All right, mate. So STX here. The problem with STX is it tried to bounce, it got rejected. It's now bearish on the month. It's now flipped red on the month. Um, Whatever strength it had, it's losing. It's getting pushed lower. Can it regain that or not? That's another question. But when you reject on the monthly like this and you flip red, well, it's a warning sign, and it's a sign you need to be careful. It's also, I'm not really sure shows good strength. I'm not like, well, this entire week has been really bearish and really. I know it is an all-time highs. You're right. There has been good strength. We need to be careful that this is not distribution. See this here? This could end up being distribution that rolls out of that and fails. So this is a warning sign. This is a red bearish weekly engulfing candle. Sorry, 2 week engulfing candle, but it's also a weekly because we've 8 days left on that. So this you need to be careful that this is not going to be a failure pattern and roll out of this. Um, there may be a real knife catch in this if this market was going to bounce hard right now, right back up. But you know, I would at least try and trade a new 3 day candle on that. But this has got it's kind of rolling over a little bit, to be honest. So for me, I don't like the knife catch this. At least try and trade a new 3 day candle. Um, and and if it's going to reverse to the upside, this will bounce a little bit, and then the next candle will be green back up, or something like that. So I just don't like this. Sorry, the 2 week. I don't like this 2 week the way that it's really engulfing this so far. There is, as I said, there is a chance that this you could, if you really wanted to buy this, you could buy this right now to stop below the previous low, and see if this can hold. There's not that much, only a couple of percent. If this is the knife catch, then that's the way you would trade it. But otherwise, there is some sort of signs here that this is trying to roll over. So I would be careful.